Yo, what's up everyone, DT here. In today's fast-paced digital world, staying updated with the latest trends in website design and development is essential for creating a competitive and engaging online presence. Seriously, your website is the first impression, the digital storefront. It needs to be on point. Websites are no longer just digital placeholders. They are powerful tools to communicate, market, and convert visitors into loyal customers. So, in this video, we're diving deep into the top 10 trends in modern web design that can elevate your website and help you stay ahead in this dynamic landscape. We're talking aesthetics, functionality, the whole 9 yards. Let's get started. Alright, first up, we're talking minimalist design. This isn't just about looking clean, it's about focusing on what matters. Think about the last time you visited a website crammed with buttons, ads, and confusing menus. It's overwhelming, right? Minimalist design is all about embracing the less is more philosophy. We're talking clean layouts, plenty of white space to give those elements room to breathe, and intuitive navigation that feels effortless. But minimalist doesn't have to mean boring. This is where bold typography comes in. Think strong, impactful fonts that grab your attention and make a statement. It's about creating a visual hierarchy, guiding the user's eye to the most important information without them even realizing it. So if you're looking to revamp your website, trust me, this trend is a no-brainer. Next up, let's talk about a trend that's been gaining serious momentum: dark mode. Now, we've all been there, scrolling through websites late at night, getting blinded by the bright white screen. Dark mode is here to save our eyes, and honestly, it just looks cool. But it's not just about aesthetics. Dark mode reduces eye strain, especially in low light conditions, making the whole browsing experience more comfortable. Plus, dark backgrounds can actually enhance the visual impact of other design elements, like those bold typography choices we talked about earlier. Colors seem to pop more. Contrast is enhanced. It's a whole vibe. Now, implementing dark mode doesn't mean just slapping a black background on everything. It's about carefully selecting color palettes and contrast levels that are easy on the eyes and maintain visual hierarchy. So whether you're going full-on dark mode or just offering it as an option for your users, this trend is definitely here to stay. Let's be real, nobody wants to visit a static, lifeless website. We're used to dynamic content, things that move and react to us. That's where motion graphics and micro interactions come in. Think about those subtle animations when you hover over a button, or a smooth page transition that feels incredibly satisfying. These little details might seem small, but they add up to create a much more engaging and enjoyable user experience. Motion graphics can be used in so many creative ways, from adding visual interest to your website storytelling to highlighting important information. It's like adding a layer of personality and delight to the whole browsing experience. And then there are micro interactions. These are those tiny, almost invisible animations that provide feedback to the user. It's all about those small details that make a big difference. All right, let's talk about the future, because VUI, or Voice User Interface, is changing the game. We're already using voice assistants like Siri and Alexa in our daily lives, so it's only natural that this technology is making its way to the web. Imagine this. You're browsing a website, and instead of typing in the search bar, you just tell your device what you're looking for. That's the power of VUI. It's about making the web more accessible and convenient, especially for users on the go. And it's not just about searching. VOA can be used for navigation, content consumption, even online shopping. Imagine browsing a fashion website and saying, "Show me dresses in my size and favorite color." Now, implementing VUI does require some technical know-how, but the payoff can be huge. So if you're looking to future-proof your website, VUI is definitely something to keep on your radar. Okay, we're talking about taking your website from 2 dimensions to a whole other level. 3D elements aren't just about looking cool, they're about creating an experience that's truly immersive and unforgettable. Think about showcasing products with interactive 3D models that users can rotate and zoom into. Or imagine exploring a virtual tour of a hotel or real estate property without ever leaving your couch. That's the power of 3D. And the best part, advancements in web technologies are making it easier than ever to integrate 3D elements into your website without sacrificing performance. We're talking smooth animations, realistic textures, the whole package. Use it to enhance key aspects of your content and create a truly memorable experience for your users. When done right, 3D elements can take your website to a whole new dimension. All right, let's talk about a trend that's no longer a trend. It's a necessity, mobile-first design. We're living in a mobile world. People are browsing on their phones, tablets, everything but their desktops sometimes. If your website isn't optimized for mobile, you're missing out. Mobile-first design means thinking about the mobile experience from the very beginning. It's not just about shrinking down your desktop website. It's about designing for smaller screens, touch interactions, and slower internet speeds. With mobile-first design, you're prioritizing readability, intuitive navigation, and fast loading times. It's about making the user experience on a mobile device just as good, if not better, than the desktop experience. So if you're serious about reaching your audience, mobile-first design is non-negotiable. Let's be real. We all love it when a website remembers our preferences, right? That's the power of personalization. It's about using data to tailor the user experience to each individual, making them feel valued and understood. Think about those personalized recommendations you get on streaming services or e-commerce sites. Modern websites are using data to personalize everything from content recommendations to product suggestions, even the entire website layout. It's about delivering the most relevant and engaging experience possible. Now, personalization goes beyond just collecting data. It's about using that data ethically and responsibly to enhance the user experience, not exploit it. When done right, personalization can increase engagement, boost conversions, and foster stronger relationships with your users. It's about creating a website that truly feels tailor-made for each individual. Okay, this next trend is about more than just aesthetics. It's about responsibility. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important in all aspects of our lives, and the digital world is no exception. Sustainable web design is all about creating websites that are eco-friendly and have a minimal impact on the environment. It's about reducing our digital carbon footprint one website at a time. So how do we make websites more sustainable? It starts with optimizing website performance. The faster your website loads, the less energy it consumes. That means optimizing images, streamlining code, and choosing eco-friendly hosting providers. Sustainable web design also involves using ethical design practices, promoting sustainable products and services, and educating users about digital sustainability. In a world facing increasing environmental challenges, sustainable web design is no longer a choice, it's a responsibility. All right, let's talk about the future of customer service, because AI is changing the game. We're talking about advanced chatbots that can handle complex queries, provide instant support, and even mimic human conversation. Gone are the days of clunky chatbots that frustrate users with generic responses. Modern chatbots are powered by artificial intelligence and natural language processing, allowing them to understand and respond to user queries with remarkable accuracy. Imagine visiting a website and getting instant answers to your questions, no matter what time of day or night it is. That's the power of AI-powered chatbots. They're available 24/7, providing instant support and freeing up your human customer service reps to handle more complex issues. It's about harnessing the power of AI to create a website that's not just informative, but truly helpful and intelligent. Okay, we're talking next-level immersive experiences here. AR and VR are no longer just for gaming, they're transforming the way we interact with the web. Imagine trying on clothes virtually using AR without ever stepping foot in a store, or taking a VR tour of a museum on the other side of the world. That's the power of these technologies. AR and VR are opening up a whole new world of possibilities for web design, allowing us to create experiences that are interactive, engaging, and unforgettable. We're seeing more and more websites incorporating these technologies, especially in industries like retail, real estate, and education. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible and creating websites that blur the lines between the digital and physical worlds. So there you have it, the top 10 web design trends that are shaping the digital landscape in 2024. The field of website design and development is evolving rapidly, driven by advancements in technology and changing user expectations. By embracing these top 10 trends, you can create a modern, engaging, and future-proof website that not only elevates your online presence, but also delivers measurable results. It's not just about looking good, it's about creating an experience that resonates with your audience. By staying ahead of these trends, your website can achieve higher engagement, improved SEO rankings, and ultimately greater success in the digital landscape. So get out there, get creative, and make your mark.